This video shows the management of rock-hard, mature intermittent cataract. First, a side port is made through which trypan blue is injected for staining the capsule. Through the main port, a dispersive viscoelastic is injected to protect the endothelium. A 30 gauge needle is used to aspirate the cortex to reduce the intralentricular pressure. A combination of cohesive and dispersive viscoelastic is injected into the anterior chamber. Rhexis is done using Utrata forceps. The rhexis is extended using Vanna scissors and Utrata forceps to facilitate nucleus removal and prevent an anterior capsular extension. A central crater is created by using high phaco power with low vacuum. Vertical chopping and lateral separation are done to divide the nucleus using a sharp chopper. Multiple chops of the nucleus are done till the central core is free. Nucleus is emulsified after the peripheral nucleus is separated into smaller bits. A combination of high phaco power with high vacuum is used during this step. A coaxial IA is used to remove the residual cortex. A hydrophobic intraocular lens is injected. A case is completed uneventfully after removing the subincisional cortex and viscoelastic. On the first post-op day, patient regained a 6 by 6 vision with a crystal clear cornea.